comes here and we're back like 1 second later after the original recording, and I just had to do that, so let's just do this. Oh wow. You're already doing that. Okay, do I have... Thank you.
Alright, come here, I'm about to kill you. And make sure you die in pain, you little freaking piece of little crap.
Oh, my attention. Hey.
Yeah, crap messages.
Maybe I'll choose a Chaozu.
This is what Dragon Films always does. That annoys the crap out of me.
That's how I always win my battles.
No, because you're annoying. And when you play with people, they're going to think you're annoying too.
Well, they're not going to curse at you like that one guy. Because you lost.
I didn't lose, first
You
of
did.
all. Oh my god, you're about to kill. Oh god, why am I not?
I beat Vegito with Krillin. Like, seriously. I remember that Xbox Live battle.
You actually you were being racist to him.
No, I wasn't.
You called him black. I have the messages. I can tell Mom and stuff. You had
I didn't call him that.
Yeah, racist.
I didn't call him.
He is racist.
No, you are. Die.
Yeah, screw you.
Finish Buster. Finish Dodger. Bring die.
Say something else after my next moves, and I'll throw this book at you.
No, it hurt. Stop it hurt. Well, guys, we destroyed the recording. LA, turn it up. LA, turn it up. Maybe I'll switch. Do that one more time.
How is that? You're gonna win with a Chaozu. Chaozu sucks.
No, it's not like you don't say.
Yeah, bye.
See ya. You come back down.
What?
I swear that touched me.
No, it didn't.
A rock and fire cannot clash. But I did it. Let's actually clash. I'll use Durn Ray and we'll use...
Finish Buster.
Okay.
Do it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this isn't gonna go well.
Oh gosh. Yeah.
That ain't gonna go well.
That didn't really something. Torn away.
Screw you. Bye, Chaozu.
That's my first character out.
No.
It is.
Vegito's gone too.
I switched to Cell.
Oh, you're so dead then. Maybe I should get Broly out of oh.
You do. I'm gonna slap you.
Wait a minute. How many characters did I have? I had Goku, Vegeta. Trunks
I
and...
killed your Goku.
Yeah! Then I'm down to 3 characters. Why am I down to 2 more characters? This one is Majin.
I don't know.
Gohan.
Oh,
Gohan.
yeah, Gohan.
Come on, we're clashing this time.
Final. Oh. Super Prime. I'm a queen! I'm a best! Oh gosh, wait, home screen.
Why do you always cheat?
I'm not cheating.
Yes, you are.
How am I cheating?
Alright, screw you. We're doing it again. This time do your normal.
I think we can do this. Ugh. Burn attack. Come on. Well.
Again. This time, I win.
Okay.
Actually,
I'm gonna do a stronger finish buster.
oh,
Oh.
I can't do Finish Buster. Alright, do
I
it
think
now.
I have to go ultra.
Now.
Saiyan.
What? I'm sweating on my hand. How? Oh, you're such a baby.
How?
You switch even though you're about to die. Just let it happen. Do I do that? No.
You do.
No, I
Whenever we're
don't.
playing off camera, you always do that.
No, I don't.
You
Yo,
do.
stupid banana. Dumb.
I pressed that before. Is there just a mod in this game? Wait, let's play.
Okay.
Ready? Ready? Why are you getting close to me?
Gosh, I'm 3-1. Get your back. Oh, you're such a cheater.
How?
You just, wow. No, don't even ask. Hey, this is what I hear about Dragon Films. Should have never made a YouTube channel in the first place.
I'm putting my awesome content on it.
Yeah, more like YouTubers content.
I started later than you. I have more videos.
Yeet! Let's see how much you have later.
I have, this is my 26th video.
Yeah, I have 82.
No, you don't. You have 24.
What?
What? If you had super good, get
Do I have Broly's?
Boy, I saw you changing your aura. Who did that? Oh, I hate that move. I just hate that move. In Raging Blast 2, I was playing and I was using Gohan, and like he kept doing that move. I couldn't
I
even
think
get
you
up.
deserved it. I think maybe you deserved it for being annoying as crap.
I know. Oh, come on.
Broly's thing.
He has the balls. What? I'm so high tension. Oh, why didn't you start us free? Well, I'm gonna block, so. I just like to do that. Oh.
How many characters you got? Oh, you got Gotenks.
And I have Vita. Maybe that's straight. Yeah, I'll set my feet.
Alright, if you keep lost me, I swear to God, I'm gonna rat you out to everyone in this world. Not even joking.
You blocked it. Kind of. You're gonna miss.
Better do it again before you die.
No, I don't want to do a power. But let me just change it. Okay, now. I wanted to do a stronger move. Definitely have to work! Ah, it has to work! This is my ultimate technique! He got 90.
Oh, that was so close, baby.
My hand is like burning. It's always burning whenever you touch the controller like that. This game is gonna break the freaking controller.
Yeah, get ready.
Get away from me. If you come in, you'll quit it.
Screw you.
Screw you.
Better do your Kamehameha before I kill you. Do your super move, your ultimate move, actually. Nah, do it.
No.
Oh, you cheat.
I don't want to do it. And you're just trying to tempt me to do it. And it's not working. So, Broly.
I think that's what Boo's fat.
Why? Wait a minute. That. Wait a minute. Oh. Okay. I was confused there a little bit. There should be like a super saiyan.
Ow! Ow!
Oh, that was so hot. KO! Wait, is this video too long?
What?
It's 14 minutes long. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe. What?
No, okay, just
See you guys next time. Peace out.